How to fix Twitter something is not right. Try your request again later error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Axe. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to perform smoothly. If not, then go ahead and update the app further. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then launch the settings application on your device and tap on General and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to the Axe application and tap on it, and further tap on the offload app option you see there and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if the issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Axe application. Now, in the menu that appears, tap on the Remove App option and then tap on Delete App and then on Delete. Once deleted, open App Store again and reinstall the app again and see if your issue is fixed or not. If not, then in Settings again, make sure that you are using a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Twitter something is not right. Try your request again later error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.